Alright guys, back again. Came out, almost forgot to start recording the video, but I had already chopped off the back support handle that was here. Now I'm kind of coming out here to mock up out of cardboard first what the cowl is going to look like. So this is kind of going to be the plate, the bottom plate. It's going to come up, angle up from the sides. You guys will see when I'm done. This way it looks good with the seat. Once you get the cowl on there, it'll help add to the look of the bike for that cafe racer look. I did have my wife come sit on the seat with me yesterday just to see if she would fit properly, because that's the biggest thing. I still want to be able to fit two riders on and not have to compromise anything or have the second rider feel unsafe because they're at the very edge of the seat, which is kind of what happened. She was still sitting on the seat, but she felt very close to the edge. So this is kind of going to be help for that, so support, so she doesn't feel like she's going to fall off the back. So we're just going to put a cowl that goes up to the tail light, and it'll serve as two purposes: better looks for the bike and then back support for the second rider. So let's get to work. This is what I got mocked up so far. So this is just the start of the base of it. Trying to keep that same line, honestly. So you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to keep that same line. It's obviously going to still come over, but I still got to finish these little plates. Probably going to have them just angled down on each side, and then another piece of cushion will fill the gap and give kind of like a backrest to passenger number 2. And I'll have it come all the way out to in an angle, kind of like a circular angle. So quick update. I know you guys seen me at a stopping point for the cowl that I was forming out of cardboard, but I went ahead and kind of scrapped that idea just because as I was going along, I kind of thought of something better. I'm gonna go ahead and take the old fairings, because the cowl at the end kind of matches up perfectly with the tail light. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, and to where it's just the cowl, to where it makes its own cowl with no fairing, just a cowl. And we're gonna see how that looks, and hopefully that goes well. Cut the fairing down to try to make like a kind of a cowl. Looks okay. I don't really like it. I'll probably end up going back to I might paint it black and see how I feel about it after I paint it black, because then obviously I still want to put the cushion inside and do all that type of stuff, close all this stuff off real nice. This is still like phase 1 of seat cowl. I don't really know how to feel about it. I don't think I like it, so consider this a fail, and we'll go for take 2 some other time. But definitely thought I'd give this a shot. You never know. Sorry for the sudden change, but I know we ended with the fail of me trying to make a cowl out of cardboard, but I went ahead and made one out of foam. I got some foam from Hobby Lobby, and then just used the Dremel, Sharpie, tape measure, and hand saw, all from the rest from Harbor Freight. So it can be done with limited amount of tools. I feel like I'm always doing it with limited amount of tools, but hey, you gotta make work. You gotta make do with what you got. This is kind of where I'm at. Just made a little divot for the seat, so it goes in. I'll fiberglass this and then put the little seat cushion with I'll try to find the same type of material, vinyl or leather, to add right here, so it kind of evens out and it tapers up to everything really nicely. I didn't shoot a video for it. I should have, but I got too excited when I got the foam and I wanted to jump right into it and completely forgot about recording. But I think it looks pretty good. I do have a bar loop on order, and I'll have a different tail light too. So the bar, I'm going to do the LED strip, so it's going to come around and make the whole back of the bike round, so it fits with the cowl. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Let me know some things you guys think I could have done or should do. I'd like to hear your guys' opinions. Like I said, please like, subscribe, share, help your boy out. Thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.